Welcome back to Enriching Bankers. We are going to discuss first chapter in AML KYC, that is money laundering and terrorism financing. What is money laundering? Laundering means washing or cleaning. Money laundering means washing of money or cleaning of money. What type of money will be washed or cleaned? Illegal or dirty or illicit originated or black money will be cleaned or washed. So, money laundering is the conversion process of illegal or dirty or illicit originated or black money into legal or clean or licit originated or white money. Money laundering is the conversion process of illegal money into the legal money, or conversion process of dirty money into the clean money, or conversion process of illicit originated money into the licit originated money, or conversion process of black money into the white money. What is dirty or illegal or licitly originated or black money? The money derived from criminal activities such as drug trafficking, illegal arms sales, smuggling, extortion, gambling, bootlegging, etc. What is clean or legal or licitly originated or white money? The money derived from legal activities such as jobs, businesses, labor, etc. Definition of money laundering. Money laundering is the process by which money derived from criminal activities is so brought into the financial system as to conceal its illicit origin and to make it appear to be from licit origin. In simple terms, whatever money earned from criminal activities or illegal activities, that money is brought into the circulation or financial system by hiding their illegal activities or criminal activities through legal activities or legal businesses. So, whatever money earned from illegal activities, that money is brought into the circulation by hiding their illegal activity through legal activity. So, example, Pushpa has two activities. One is illegal activity, that is smuggling of red sandal. Second one is the legal activity, that is milk business. So, whatever he earns from smuggling, that money is brought into the circulation through his legal business, that is milk business, by hiding his smuggling business. So his main activity is illegal activity. He established milk business for namesake, for appears as he is dealing with legal business. So whatever he earns from illegal activity, that is brought into the circulation or financial system by hiding his illegal activity through legal business. So that is the example for money laundering. Why money laundering is developed? Why money laundering is developed? So for any type of criminal activity, for any background of criminals, money making is the main motive. Their motive is earning money, earning large amounts of money in short period. Their main motive is to make large amounts of money in a short period. So money making is the main motive in any type of criminal activity. And also they know that at any point of time they can be caught and they can be punished by lawfully. So they want to escape from being caught and escape from lawful punishment. For that, they want to convert their illegal funds to legal funds. So here, conversion is the necessity for escape from being caught and escape from lawful punishment. So to escape from being caught and lawful punishment, they show their illegal funds as legal funds. They show that they are earning from legal activities only. So that's why money laundering has been developed. When money laundering is started, so first money laundering incidents was noticed in America. So who did it? A Chicago gangster did it. He used to dealing in banned alcoholic drinks. So this is the illegal business. So he used to earn money from this illegal business, banned alcoholic drinks. But he wanted to escape from being caught and escape from lawful punishment. For that, he set up the cash incentive business. This business was legal business. This business is legal business. So whatever he earned from banned alcoholic drinks, he used to brought into the financial system or circulation through his legal business, that is cash incentive business. So this was the first money laundering incident. What are the impacts of money laundering? Money laundering has impacts on economic system, social system, and political system. So coming to economical effects, money laundering leads to unfair competition between honest and dishonest businesses. For example, I am a true or honest milk business person. I purchased milking animals and I purchased veterinary medicines and I purchased grass. I used to purchase grass. So all these things. So here, milk business is bread and butter to me. So I am the honest milk business person. So when it comes to Pushpa, his main activity is smuggling, but he wants to uh, brought his illegal money into system or circulation through his milk business. His milk business is just for namesake. So for hiding his criminal activity or illegal activity, he used his legal business, milk business. So milk business is not bread and butter to Pushpa. Whereas when it comes to me, this is the milk business is the bread and butter to me. So then there will be unfair competition between me and Pushpa. So same reflects here. So money laundering leads to unfair competition between honest and dishonest businesses. Money laundering also result in distortion of prices and crowding out of honest businesses. I am selling at 50 rupees per liter, whereas Pushpa sells at 30 rupees per liter. Means here this milk business is bread and butter to me. So from profits profits from this business, survive. I survive my family. When it comes to the Pushpa, he does not care about milk business because that is not bread and butter to him. His main activity is illegal activity. So then there will be distortion of prices. He does not care about his business. So then there will be distortion of prices and crowding out of honest businesses. Next, cross-border movement of illegal funds increases the volatility of international capital and impacts the exchange rates. Generally, criminals deals with only cash. So during cross-border illegal activities, cash moves from one country to another country. So that leads to impact the exchange rates, that creates volatility in international capital. So second one is social effect. Money laundering increases corruption and organized crimes. Money laundering increases financial frauds. Money laundering is attractive harbors for criminals. Third one, political effects. Money laundering gain influence over the social and political systems. So once the criminals start earning from illegal activities, they want to escape from being caught and escape from lawful punishment. For that, they gain influence over the social and political system. They support or provide funds to the politicians because they want to escape from being caught and escape from lawful punishments. So for that, they corrupt people, they corrupt government officials, they conduct organized crimes, they influence social and political systems to get or gain influence over social and political systems. What are the impacts of money laundering on financial system and on banks? Impacts of money laundering on financial system. Money laundering increases the financial frauds and economic crimes. It also disturbs the soundness and stability of financial systems and the financial system of a country. Impacts of money laundering on banks. Generally, criminals transfers their illegal funds from one account to another account, or one country to another account, or one bank to another bank. So during this process, they use banks or bankers as intermediaries. So banks or bankers caught unwillingly as intermediaries from the holding and transferring money derived from criminal activities from one account to another. Consequently, banks would face stringent regulatory actions for failure to check and control the criminal money, or failure to conduct or perform due diligence of customers or beneficiaries. How much money has been laundered? Various global organizations conducted researches on how much money has been laundered. So they estimated the extent of funds that would have been laundered. So first research was done in 1995. That was done by John Walker from University of Wollongong. According to this research, about 2.8 trillion US dollars have been laundered. Second research was done in 1998, that was done by Michael Camdeses from IMF. According to this research, about 1.5 trillion US dollars have been laundered. That was about 5% of GDP. Subsequent research was done in 2006. In this research, how much laundered money was increased from 1995 to 2006. So this was done by Bjorn and Schneider. So according to this research, The laundered money was increased from $273 billion in 1995 to $603 billion in 2006. So, the GDP was increased from 1.33% to 1.74%. Next research was done by UNODC, that is United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. So this research was mainly focused on drug trafficking and organized crimes. So according to this research, about 3.6% of global GDP was increased by money laundering. Terrorism financing. Providing funds with the intention to support terrorist acts or organizations is treated as terrorism financing. Or mobilizing funds with the intention to support terrorist acts or organizations is also treated as terrorism financing. Phenomenon of terrorism financing. Terrorism activities terrorism activities do not require large quantum of funds. For example, for bomb blasting do not require large quantum of funds. For purchasing of bombs do not require large quantum of funds. When it comes to creating, running and maintaining the organizations which carry out terrorist activities require substantial or large quantum of funds. So, for terrorism activities, large quantum of funds are not required. For creating, running, and maintaining the organizations, large quantum of funds are required. Funds for terrorism activities may have both legal and illicit origin. So, for example, for legal, X X is a person, he earns money from his legal business. So this his business is legal and genuine. So whatever profits get from his business, he finances that profits to terrorist. So X finances his profits to terrorist. So legal sources here, funds of source is legal because X has legal business. X is doing legal and genuine business. So from his profits, he is providing finance to terrorists. So here, source of funds is legal. One more example, some terrorists may also involve in criminal activities other than terrorism. They may involve in smuggling of arms or other goods other than terrorism. So from that smuggling or illegal activities, they earn money. That money they finance for terrorism activities. So here the source of funds is illegal origin. So that's why funds for terrorism activities may have both legal and illicit sources or legal or illicit sources. Money laundering versus terrorism financing. Money laundering and terrorism financing both are different phenomena. So both are different, but both use similar or identical techniques for concealing their activity. In money laundering, they want to hide their illegal activity. In terrorism financing, they want to hide their terrorism activity. But both use financial sector illegally. Money laundering and terrorism financing, in both cases, financial system will be used illegally. So here, when it comes to money laundering, source of funds are always illegal. When it comes to terrorism finance, source of funds are maybe legal or illegal. We have already discussed this point. When it comes to the money laundering, funds used for legal activities, because they want to show earning money from legal business only. They want to hide their illegal business, and they want to show that they are earning from legal businesses. So, funds used for legal activities. In terrorism financing, always funds used for terrorism only, for illegitimate purpose only. When it comes to money laundering, concealing the source of funds is must, because they want to show that they are earning from legal sources, legal activities. That's why here source of funds must be concealed. When it comes to terrorism finance, we already discussed that funds may be legal or illegal sources. If it is legal source, not necessary to conceal the source of funds. If it is illegal source, it is necessary to conceal the source of funds. So in this chapter, I have mentioned so many words in bold font. So you need to focus on these words. Whatever I mentioned in the bold font, you need to focus on those words and sentences, because most of the questions come from those points only. Whatever I highlighted, from those highlighted points, many questions, MCQs will come in the exam. So you need to focus on bold points also. And please subscribe our channel, and also share this class to your friends and colleagues.